I'm not too involved in cryptocurrency. I do a little bit of research here and there on Bitcoin itself, and I think it's kind of, in my opinion, it's stupid not to just have even the tiniest percentage of your net worth in it, because it's one of these things where it could be a massive gainer for you in just a few years now. But it's one of those other things where it could probably go to zero as well. So I think it's a pretty binary game in the long term.
Well, Rich, if I could say, I think it's unlikely to go to zero. And it's hard for Americans to understand it sometimes because we are prosperous. But I think there's a case where it'll do well, and we'll see crypto projects actually getting transacted more often. But if you're in like a third world country that destroys their currency, and these people living there, like when they wake up in the morning and they go to the store, by dinner time, everything's like 200% more because inflation's rampant. These people are not gonna want to settle for those coins, and they're not gonna want to pay taxes these governments have been stealing from them. And you're gonna see, in my opinion, this is where you're gonna see a huge parabolic run on crypto. You're gonna see failing governments telling their people to save their currency. They're gonna buy a coin, and they might buy Bitcoin, because that's like the most noticeable one. But to say, yeah, we have legitimacy. We're not overprinting. We're gonna pin to this, like almost like gold, because people can understand it, and they're actually starting to transact with it. In smaller countries, they are. In places and countries in Africa, it is being used. The infrastructure is being built. So I think it's unlikely to go to zero, and but we don't know if it's likely going to be, a leading currency in the world. But it's very likely to at least grow. Like cryptocurrency is only a $200 billion market cap total. We just watched the federal government create $2 trillion with the snap of a finger. So just to show you how big this market is and how powerful it is and how much return you could get, it's like you said, it's silly not to have it in your portfolio, in my opinion.
Those are really good points. The things I haven't really thought about. I think it's easy to get tunnel vision here in the States or some of these more prosperous countries, right? Where, yeah, we're printing off tons of money, but the likelihood of the US dollar, at least, going through those massive amounts of volatility like they might see in other countries is very low. But yeah, man, that's a really good point. I'll have to look into that a little bit more.